In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit titles on memories on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here where it says For You to head over to For You tab. And then scroll down until you find Memories. We can tap at See All to see all our memories. As you can see, Memories is about some person, some date, or some event. The memories are named automatically, however, we can easily rename them. To do that, we need to tap at three dots and then Edit Title. That's how we can easily change main title and secondary title. To save the changes, tap at Save. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.